When it comes to electric vehicles, having a reliable and efficient Level 2 charger is crucial for a smooth charging experience. There are various Level 2 EV chargers available in the market, but choosing the best one can be overwhelming. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best Level 2 EV chargers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Say hello to the Autel MaxiCharger Home Smart Electric Vehicle, our number 5 on the list of top EV charging stations. This Level 2 EV charging station packs a punch with its 240-volt power, which can charge any EV or plug-in hybrid up to 7 times faster than a regular outlet charger. With NEMA 650 and 1450 plug options and a power output range of 6 amps up to 40 amps, you can customize the charging speed to fit your lifestyle and home, helping you avoid costly electrical upgrades. But it's not just about power. This smart and convenient charging station comes with an advanced Autel Charge mobile app that allows you to track, manage, schedule, and optimize smart EV charging anytime, even taking advantage of off-peak electricity rates. Plus, the MaxiCharger's durable 25-foot cable, sturdy construction, and high-grade materials provide maximum weather resistance, making it safe and reliable for indoor and outdoor use in any climate. The price is $558. Experience lightning-fast charging with the Topdon Pulse Q Level 2 EV charger, our number 4 pick. This UL-listed charger works 7 times faster than a regular wall outlet thanks to its 240-volt 10-kilowatt power and NEMA 1450 and J1772 Type 1 connector. But that's not all. The Pulse Cap lets you charge during off-peak periods, adjust charging current from 6 to 40A, track charging history, and receive fully charged notifications. With the app, you can also connect multiple chargers and control them remotely, making it an excellent value for money. It can operate in extreme temperatures from -30 to 55 and comes with a solid 16-feet cable and a waterproof case, making it suitable for indoor and outdoor use. Make charging your EV easier and safer with the Topdon Pulse Q Level 2 EV charger, available at just $369. Looking for an EV charger that's both speedy and easy to install? Check out the EvoCharge Level 2 EV charger, which takes the number 3 spot on our list. This charger is designed for maximum convenience, offering up to 8 times faster charging than the standard AC Level 1 charger for an additional 25 to 35 miles of range per hour. Plus, it's engineered for easy installation with a standard NEMA 650 plug and universal mounting bracket included. Safety is a top priority with the EvoCharge, which has been rigorously tested to meet UL and TUL safety standards for electrical products. And with a NEMA 4 rating for indoor-outdoor use in any weather, you can trust it to perform reliably no matter where you install it. The EvoCharge also features an adjustable amperage and a sleek, compact design that can be installed in a variety of locations. And at just $549, it's an affordable choice for anyone looking to upgrade their EV charging capabilities. Upgrade your EV charging game with the ChargePoint Home Flex Electric Vehicle Charging Station, our number 2 on the list. This Level 2 240-volt charging station charges any EV up to 9 times faster than a regular wall outlet, with flexible amperage settings up to 50 amps. With the ChargePoint app, you can charge faster and smarter by setting a schedule to charge during the cheapest electricity hours, setting reminders so you never forget to plug in, using Alexa voice control, and seeing all your ChargePoint charging data in one place. The plug-in installation with a NEMA 650 or 1450 outlet requires circuits rated 40A or 50A. For other circuit ratings, including 60A 80A for 48A 50A charging, the plug is easily removed for hardwired installation. Select the amperage that works best for you and your home, helping to avoid electrical upgrades. All of this for just $749. Get yours today. Check out the JuiceBox 40 Smart Electric Vehicle, our top pick for all your charging needs. With 40 amperes and 10 kilowatt power, this EV charging station can charge up to 7 times faster than regular stations. It's also UL listed and ENERGY STAR certified, ensuring safety and efficiency. Plus, the built-in cable rack and security lock make it perfect for indoor or outdoor installation. With convenient Wi-Fi connectivity via the JuiceNet app, you can control and monitor charging remotely, receive notifications when your car is fully charged, and even schedule charging times for when rates are lower, saving you money on your electric vehicle expenses. Installation is a breeze with a simple NEMA 1450R outlet, and it's compatible with some dryer outlets via available adapters. Don't miss out on this amazing deal at just $649 and enjoy the 3-year limited warranty for normal residential use. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.